This video explores the molecular architecture of longevity, decoding the axes of aging, sarcopenia, and genetic resilience. The diagram highlights three key pathways: maintenance and resilience, catabolic and pro-aging, and growth and anabolic. Aging involves a biological trade-off between growth and resilience. Growth pathways like IIS and mTOR, which drive cellular proliferation in youth, can eventually lead to exhaustion. Longevity is achieved by activating maintenance networks like FOXO3 and AMPK for stress resistance and genomic integrity. The longevity schematic shows the interconnected master circuit. The top sector, in warm ochre, involves the growth pathways like insulin/IGF-1 and mTOR. The center, deep sapphire blue, highlights maintenance with AMPK and FOXO3. The bottom, rich carmine, indicates catabolic pathways like myostatin/activin A. FOXO3 is the master hub of the longevity circuit. It is regulated by ACT and AMPK. When active, FOXO3 drives essential functions like antioxidant defense, DNA repair, and autophagy. The SuperAger variant, 2,802,292 rupees, is associated with extreme longevity and reduced coronary artery disease mortality. Axis 1 is the IIS-AKT inhibitory switch. When insulin/IGF-1 binds to its receptor, it activates the PI3K-ACT cascade, which phosphorylates and traps FOXO3 in the cytoplasm, inhibiting survival genes. Reduced IGF-1 is associated with extended lifespan in some models, but severe reduction in humans can be detrimental. Axis 2, the metabolic switch, involves AMPK and mTOR. In state A, nutrient abundance leads to mTOR activation, driving growth and inhibiting autophagy. In state B, nutrient scarcity activates AMPK, which turns off mTOR and activates FOXO3, promoting cellular repair and autophagy. Axis 3 is the maintenance engine, including SIRT1 and SIRT6, which rely on NAD+. Declining NAD+ levels over time compromise these engines. SIRT1 drives metabolic homeostasis, and SIRT6 ensures genomic integrity. Inhibiting CD38 can help reverse this NAD+ decline, reactivating both engines. The sarcopenia paradox illustrates the failure of muscle maintenance with age. Young muscle has active satellite cells, while aged sarcopenic muscle shows fat infiltration and senescent satellite cells. Sarcopenia is driven by anabolic resistance, where catabolic signals override anabolic ones. Axis 4A, the catabolic circuit initiation, begins when circulating myostatin/activin A binds to the ACT-RIIB receptor. This triggers the phosphorylation of SMAD2 and SMAD3, leading to the formation of the destructive SMAD complex. Axis 4B, the catabolic circuit execution, shows the SMAD complex halting myoblast proliferation. Furthermore, myostatin drives the FOXO paradox, where ACT is bypassed, leading to the activation of E3 ubiquitin ligases, which aggressively degrade muscle proteins via the ubiquitin proteasome system. The mass function paradox in muscle therapeutics shows that while myostatin inhibition increases lean body mass and reduces fat, it fails to improve function or gait speed. It suppresses PGC1 alpha, leading to poor mitochondrial function and rapid fatigue, creating a neuromuscular mismatch. Genetic vulnerability. The APOE4 dilemma highlights its antagonistic pleiotropy. APOE4 is highly advantageous in youth, driving fertility and immune response. However, it becomes a massive driver of late-onset Alzheimer's and cardiovascular frailty in post-industrial aging. Axis 5 illustrates resilience via epistasis. The vulnerable state, driven by APOE4, leads to cellular damage and neurodegeneration. In the buffered state, rare functional WNT variants neutralize the APOE4 frailty penalty, leading to significantly preserved function and longer life. Evolutionary genomics reveals how environmental pressures shape longevity pathways. Hypotheses like the Siberian and Ganges Delta suggest trade-offs between youth survival traits, such as fertility and pathogen resistance, and late-life frailty. To engineer the SuperAger phenotype, we must dial down IIS/mTOR, hyperactivate SIRT/FOXO3, and block myostatin/activin. The Believe trial synergy demonstrates effective weight loss while preserving lean mass. The Geroszyme frontier involves using 1,5-PGDH inhibitors to restore muscle function and rescue satellite cells. The molecular architecture of longevity outlines the interplay of various signaling axes and genetic factors that determine lifespan and healthspan. Understanding and targeting these pathways is key to promoting healthy aging and achieving a SuperAger phenotype.